Hello everyone, it's Nick here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do another butterfly knife tutorial, and I will be using the Guts Slaughter CSGO knife. So basically what we're going to be learning is how to go from this grip to this grip. So we're not actually going to be doing that. That's nothing. We're actually going to be learning the twirl. That's from this to this. So basically, hold it open. Now, flick back. So it's like that. Now put these three fingers, middle, ring, and pinky, on the safe handle, where the side of your index is, and put your thumb on the other side. Now move your index finger to where the thumb is. This side. Now flip back. Now it's gonna look like this. Now here's your thumb. Put it back with these three fingers right there. Now push up. You gotta fall down here. Flick up. Now do your normal drop down. Make a circle motion. Flick up and boom. You're in reverse grip. So yes, I'll go over this again. Flick out. So basically you have these four fingers inside your thumb out. You want to release your pointer finger and then put it back there where your thumb is, right next to your thumb. Flick back, release your thumb, put it down the outside now, and where your pointer finger is now only on the inside. Put your thumb right there, push up, gonna fall right there, swing up, you got it like that. So if you're ever in that position, go there, but you will end up here. First time I actually messed up, I don't know how, but so open with your normal opening, out, here, out. Now, on your pointer finger, you just put these three fingers right here, thumb right there, release your pointer finger, put it right there, click in, now release your thumb, put it back where the three fingers are, release all of them, just your middle finger. That might help you. I just did this with only the middle finger and releasing these two. Push up. Flick up. I don't know what happened there, but if you do end up like that, just twirl it around like that. So let's see again. What did I do wrong? Right there. So basically we have it right there, but what did I do wrong? Now, alright. But yeah, you're probably gonna end up like this. It's fine both ways. Just do your normal reverse opening and you'll be good. So that's been today's Balisong video. If you enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and always subscribe. If you want more, please leave a comment below. But if you know any tricks you want me to go over, I'll try to learn it. And if I don't already know it, then I'll review it for you and teach you how to do it. And if you just want more Balisong tricks in general, leave a like and comment if you want more. See you all in the next video. Bye. Oh, and remember, this will be uploaded when I'm on camp, so I'm not actually going to respond to comments. I will look later. And yeah. Always like and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye.